Okay, so this is my reality. This is Arnie. And I vacuumed him on this side. Yes, he's looking a bit thin, but I wanted to show my reality. Stay, Arnie. On this side. So this is what I'm dealing with every single day. And if I just go here and show you how much hair I'm getting from one part of this animal. Here. All of this. Like this. Far out, Arnie. This is Arnie here. What do you think about it? What do you think about it, Cocola? Do you think Arnie needs to get more vacuum? Hey? You want to get vacuum, Cocola? Oh, Arnie, sit. Arnie. Rolling into hair. Okay, back to the vacuum. Here we go. Up. Turn. Stay.